Students, you're able to hear me?
Yes.
Right, today we'll close straight lines chapter. So how many problems have we completed? 12 is over. So 13th we need to do. Yes. So 13th one, the question is, show that the equation of the line passing through origin, making an angle theta with the line y is equal to mx plus c is y by x is equal to plus or minus m plus tan theta divided by 1 minus m tan theta. Okay. So we have solved many problems like this. No? We have solved problems where there will be a line which is passing through a point, let's say 3, 2. Then it will make an angle 45 degrees with another line, let's say 4x plus 3y is equal to 20. Then they will ask us to find the equation of this line. Rather, we will say equations of this line. Then what do we do? Yesterday also we did a problem, right?
Yeah.
I think this is the one, yeah. Find the equation of lines passing through 3, 2, which makes an angle 45 degrees with the line. Instead of giving you numbers, they have given you a general expression. So what was the steps? What were the steps we followed? So we took the slope of the line to be m. Then we applied the formula tan alpha is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. And then we solved it, right? In a similar way, let's solve this problem. So this line is passing through which point? Origin. Then it makes an angle theta here with which line y is equal to mx plus c. How do we proceed? Tell me. So let the slope of this line be m dash. Okay. Then what is the formula that we can apply? Tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m2 m1. I'm missing something. What is it?
Mod symbol.
Mod. So instead of that, I'm taking a modulus. Okay. Now, tan theta is equal to, I can write it as m dash minus m divided by 1 plus m dash into m, or tan theta is equal to minus of m dash minus m divided by 1 plus m dash into m. Right. So what will be the value of m dash? M dash will be equal to tan theta plus m dash m tan theta plus m, accepted. So if you take out m dash, it will be 1 minus tan theta is equal to m plus tan theta. I just cross multiplied and I'm solving. So m dash will be equal to what? M plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. M plus tan theta by 1 minus. Is there an m here? 1 minus tan theta. Okay, let's check. So this is the one which I get by solving this expression. So when I solve the other expression, what do we get? Minus tan theta minus m dash m tan theta is equal to m dash minus m. So m dash into 1 plus tan theta or 1 plus m tan theta Here also I missed m. Divided by is equal to m minus tan theta. Guys, any doubt? Did you understand what I did? Yes or no? See, either say understood. So m dash will be equal to m minus tan theta divided by 1 plus m tan theta. Here it will be 1 minus m tan theta. Okay, this will be minus of, this will not work, right? So they want it to be plus or minus m plus tan theta by 1 minus m tan theta. So m dash into 1 minus m tan theta. So this is one expression. M dash is equal to m minus tan theta by 1 plus m tan theta. Okay. See, if I take out the minus sign from here, what do we get? Minus m plus tan theta divided by minus 1. If I take the minus from here also, minus 1 plus m tan theta. Is there any similarity between? Let me check this problem. I'll get back with this. Okay. So are you able to understand what I'm trying to do? Are you guys able to understand? See, my intention is to prove that if this is m dash, okay, because the slope that they have given is plus or minus m plus tan theta by 1 minus m tan theta. So if the slope is m plus tan theta by 1 minus m tan theta here I want it to be minus of m plus tan theta divided by 1 minus m tan theta. I want it to be like this. For that, what can we do? There is no mistake, no? So minus tan theta minus m dash m into tan theta is equal to m dash. No mistake. So I'll check this problem and get back. Okay. So let's hold this as of now. Let's do the next one. In what ratio the line joining minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 7 is divided by the line x plus y is equal to 4? So listen. So there are two lines, minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 7. So there is a line x plus y is equal to 4. So in what ratio the line joining these 2 points is divided by this line? So let the ratio be lambda is to 1 or m is to 1. Let's not take m because m represents slope. Let's take the ratio to be lambda is to 1. Then if this is taken as a and b, what will be the coordinates of point P? So point P is phi lambda minus 1, that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus 1, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1, right? So what is the importance of this point? Point P lies on x plus y is equal to 4. So if you substitute it here, what will you get? Phi lambda minus 1 divided by lambda plus 1 plus 7 lambda plus 1 divided by lambda plus 1 is equal to 4. So 12 lambda divided by lambda plus 1 is 4, which implies 12 lambda is equal to 4 lambda plus 4. So 8 lambda is 4, lambda will be half. So what will be the ratio? Ratio is lambda is to 1, that is nothing but 1 by 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2. Is it clear?
Yes.
See, can you guys check what this question is in the textbook and let me know?
Given m plus or minus tan by 1 minus plus m tan.
That's right. So if that is the case, we can prove it is m plus or minus, no? M plus or minus
Yes,
tan
sir.
theta divided by 1.
1 minus plus m tan.
Then we have got the answer, no? Then we got the answer, see. So m dash will be equal to m minus tan theta divided by 1 plus m tan theta. So if you combine this, m dash is equal to, look at this, no? M and tan theta are in the numerator divided by 1 and m tan theta are in the denominator. Now observe, when the numerator is positive, denominator is negative. When the numerator is negative, denominator is positive. So if the numerator is positive, denominator is negative. If the numerator is negative, denominator is positive. So this is going to be the slope of the line. Did you guys understand?
So, sir, when it's m plus tan theta, it will be 1 minus m tan theta.
Yes, that's what is there, no? Look at this first one. Case 1, m plus tan theta by 1 minus m tan theta. Second case, m minus tan theta by 1 plus m tan theta. Means you need to take the corresponding signs. If you take plus in the numerator, minus in the denominator. That is why it is minus or plus. So most of them, what they will think is what difference is there between minus or plus. The order is very important. Okay, plus or minus or plus. The order is very, very important. I hope everyone is clear. Okay. Then you will have y minus y1, because the line is passing through origin. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y is equal to m dash is m plus or minus tan theta divided by 1 minus or plus m tan theta into x. I think this is what is given in the textbook, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
hope. Yeah, that's good. Now make a note of this. Suddenly got a doubt. So make a note of this. Okay. Shall I move on to the next one? I hope 14th is also clear for everyone. Fifteenth one. Find the distance of the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 from the point 1, 2 along this line. So there is a line 4x plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. There is a point 1, 2. 1, 2 is lying on the line 2x minus y. Okay. So along this line, they're asking what is the distance. I've done a similar kind of problem. In general, what do you mean by distance from a point to a line? It is always, in general, distance from a point to a line is always perpendicular distance. But sometimes in the what they will do is, they'll give you a point. They'll ask you the distance from a point to a line along some other line. If you observe, 2x minus y and 4x plus 7y are not perpendicular to each other. So what are we supposed to do? Solve 2x minus y and 4x plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 0. You will get this point of intersection. If this point is A and the point of intersection is B, they're asking the distance AB. Can you guys do it fast?
Distance formula, sir.
That's it. Do it fast and tell me. What is the point B?
So I got y equal to minus 9 by 5 and x equal to minus 9 by 5.
X equal to minus 9 by 5.
9 by.
So minus 9 by 10 comma minus 9 by 5. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I got.
Okay. Now using distance formula, AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So it is root of minus 9 minus 10 is minus 19 by 10 the whole square plus minus 9 minus 10 is minus 9 by 5, 19 by 5 the whole square. (19) square divided by 25. If you take out 19 outside, square root of, you can take 25 also outside, which will come out as 5. So what is left out inside? 1 by 4 plus 1. So 19 by 5 into root of 5 by 4. So answer will be 19 by root 20.
So I made a mistake, I think, sir.
You made a mistake, huh?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
y is minus 5 by 9, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 by 9, huh?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Minus 5 by. X is correct, huh? Then X should also change. No?
I think x is minus 5 by 18. Sir.
X is minus 5 by, let me check. I myself would do it. Wait. So 2x minus y is equal to 0. So 4x will be 2y. Substitute it in the next equation. So 2y plus 7y plus 5 is 0. 9y is minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5 by 9. Then x will be how much? Minus 5 by 18. X is y by 2, no? So minus 5 by 18 comma minus 5 by 9. So now you know the distance formula applied. So I hope you can do it right. I'm leaving this problem. root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, going to the next point. Find the direction in which a straight line must be drawn through the point. So find the direction in which a straight line must be drawn through the points -1, 2 so that its point of intersection with the line may be at a distance of 3 units from the point. So here what they mean by direction is they are asking the angle. Okay. So find the direction, angle, or you can say slope also. Find the direction in which a straight line must be drawn through the point. So there is a line x plus y is equal to 4. There is some other line which is drawn through -1, 2. Let the slope of that line be 3 so that its point of intersection may be at a distance of 3 units from this point. So if you take A and this as B, what is the distance AB, guys? AB is 3. Okay. So this be L1, this line be L2. What is equation of L2? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So mx minus y plus m plus 2 is equal to 0. Are you guys clear? So I wrote the equation of L2. Solve L2 and L1. So when you solve L2 and L1, what is it you're going to get? Mx minus y plus m plus 2 is 0. X plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. When you cancel both, it will be like x into 1 plus m plus m minus 2 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to m minus 2 divided by 1 plus m. So what will be the value of y? Y is equal to 4 minus x. So y will be equal to 4 minus x is how much? M minus 2 divided by 1 plus m. So 4 plus 4m minus m plus 2 divided by 1 plus m. So y will be how much, guys? 6 plus 3m divided by 1 plus m. So x is m minus 2 by 1 plus m. Y is 6 plus 3m by 1 plus m. Okay, let me check the calculations. So I made a mistake. X is equal to minus of m minus 2. So this will be plus. When this is plus, this will be 4 plus 4m plus m minus 2 divided by 1 plus m. So how much will this be? 5m plus 2 divided by 1 plus m. So what are the coordinates of the point? Minus of m minus 2 divided by 1 plus m, or 2 minus m divided by 1 plus m. Five m plus 2 divided by 1 plus m. Right? So what is the distance AB then? So these are the coordinates of point B. So what is AB? Apply the distance formula. Square root of 2 minus m divided by 1 plus m minus of minus 1, that is plus 1 the whole square, plus 5m plus 2 divided by 1 plus m minus 2 the whole square. So AB is how much? AB is 3 according to the question. So 3 is equal to root of 2 minus m plus 1 plus m divided by 1 plus m the whole square plus 5m plus 2 minus 2 minus 2m divided by 1 plus m the whole square. So here m and m are gone. 1 plus m the whole square under a root is the LCM. So square root of, you will have 3 square, that is 9, plus 2 and 2 are gone. 9m square is equal to 3. So squaring on both the sides, you get 9 into 1 plus m square is equal to 9 plus 9m square. What am I getting?
M the whole square.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Be 1 plus m the whole square.
Where is it?
Step.
Yeah. Sorry. So it is 1 plus m the whole square. So 9 will get cancelled. 1 plus m square plus 2m is equal to 1 plus m square. So 1 plus m square, 1 plus m square is gone. M is equal to 0. So it should be a line which is parallel to x-axis. Please check the answer.
Just given parallel to x-axis or y-axis.
What did they say? Line parallel to x-axis, no?
X-axis or y-axis.
Or y-axis. So I'm getting only one value, no? Are there two slopes that are possible? It should only
Yes,
be a
sir,
line
root.
which is...
Since root is there, I think it should be plus or minus.
No, it's not root, no, because see, only 2m is 0. Had it been 2m square is equal to 0 also, see, m square is equal to 0 is also plus or minus 0 only. There is nothing like plus or minus 0. I think it is only parallel to x-axis because that's what we are getting. So please make a note, it should be parallel to x-axis. Okay. So now we will do the 17th one. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle has its ends at the point 1, 3 and minus 4, 1. Find the equations of the legs, perpendicular sides of the triangle. One, 3, minus 4, 1. A, B, L1, L2. They are asking to find the equation of the legs, that is the perpendicular side. How to do? I think the data is insufficient. Can someone please check the textbook if there is any other point that is given?
No, sir.
The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle has its end. So if you take the slope of one of the lines as m, the slope of the other line will be minus 1 by m. What is the distance between what is the length of the hypotenuse?
You're not given.
No, length we can calculate, no? Root of 25 plus 4, it is root 29. Okay, we'll do one thing. I'm just thinking of a small, shorter way, but let's see. So if I take the slope of line AC, if I take slope of AC as m, then what will be slope of DC?
Minus 1 by m.
Minus 1 by m. So what will be the equation of AC? Y minus 3 is equal to m into x minus 1. So mx minus y minus m plus 3 is 0. Accepted? So what is equation of BC? What is the equation of BC? Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x plus 4. So my minus m is equal to minus x minus 4. So x plus my minus m plus 4 is 0. Let this be 1. Let this be 2. Okay. So how do I find m? That is a question. For right angle triangles, what are all the properties we can apply? One is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, Pythagoras theorem. Second is equation of AC and all other things. Okay, we'll do one thing. Solve 1 and 2 and tell me what is the value of x and y. Solve 1 and 2. Tell me what is the value of x and y.
So, sir, we should take minus m plus 3 to the RHS, no, sir, in the first equation.
Where? No. Minus m plus 3. Yes, you need to take it to the RHS. So it will be mx minus y is equal to m minus 3. So what is the value of x and y, guys?
So I got m square minus 2m minus 4 by m square plus 1.
You are getting such a big value.
Yes, sir.
See, there are two ways to solve. Tell me what is the value of x you are getting. m square.
M square minus 2m minus 4 by m square plus 1.
Why?
Yes, sir. I have to calculate, sir.
Okay. See, there is the actual way to do, but this problem would have got solved using trial and error method also. So, see, because why I'm trying to say is try to understand. Here the data is so vague, right? They have given two lines. They have given 2 points. Those are the endpoints of hypotenuse, right? So with that, it is not possible for us to find the exact equations of the other two lines. Since the reason why I'm saying this, it is going so big, no? Since that is the case, what we can say is, if you take this line parallel to y-axis, then the bottom line you can take parallel to x-axis and simplify it. You're able to understand? So if you take one line parallel to y-axis, its slope will be infinity. The line which is parallel to x-axis will have slope 0. Then you can substitute and do it. Or you can do the vice versa. You can say AC is parallel to x-axis and BC is parallel to y-axis and do. That is only for a simpler way and to convince us, but that's not the right way to do. Because why I asked you to solve this is, I thought if you get a simpler value, I thought we can use AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square and then proceed. Okay, but here it is not possible. Since the values are going large, you have to do only using trial and error basis. In the sense, take one of the lines along x direction. So x direction means what is the slope?
0.
0. Then the other line obviously will be perpendicular to it, which will be in the y direction. And do the vice versa, you will get different equations of line that will give you the answer. Okay.
So we do that, we get x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. I think so.
It's slightly an ambiguous question. Okay. So slope is 3 divided by 5. Nothing. No information is there. They could have at least told find the possible equations. Okay, forget this. Don't worry about this question. Next, 18th one. Find the image of the point 3, 8 with respect to the line x plus 3y is equal to 7, assuming the line to be a plane mirror. This is simple. What are the steps? Tell me. Take 3, 8. Find foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular alpha beta will be the midpoint of the image and the given point. So how will you find the foot of the perpendicular? You have done many problems based on this. Tell me, how will you find the foot of the perpendicular? What are the steps to be followed? Find the slope of the given line, which is minus 1 by 3. So what will be the slope of the perpendicular? It will be 3. So you know the equation of line y minus 8 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. So 3x minus y minus 9 plus 8 is equal to 0. So 3x minus y is equal to 1. And x plus 3y is equal to 7. So from this we can get 9x minus 3y is equal to 3. X plus 3y is equal to 7. They get cancelled. 8x is equal to 10. X will be equal to 10 by 8, that is 5 by 4. So once you find x, find the value of y. So it is 5 by 4, comma, let's say it is y. Then h plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 4. K plus 8 by 2 is y. we'll get the value of h comma k. Okay. Next, 19th one. So I'm going to give you hints, you people try. If the lines y is equal to 3x plus 1 and 2y is equal to x plus 3 are equally inclined to the line y is equal to mx plus 4, find the value of m. So what do you mean by equally inclined? This line y is equal to mx plus 4. This is y is equal to 3x plus 1. This is 2y is equal to x plus 3. If this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. So how will you find tan theta? Tan theta is equal to mod of m minus 3 divided by 1 plus 3m. I hope you understood how we got. Similarly, between these two lines, tan theta will be equal to mod of m minus half divided by 1 plus m by 2. Why did I write half? Because the slope of the second line is half. Okay. So what are we supposed to do? Mod of m minus 3 divided by 1 plus 3m is equal to mod of m minus half divided by 1 plus m by 2. So you will have m minus 3 divided by 1 plus 3m is equal to plus or minus m minus half divided by 1 plus m by 2. Take plus ones, minus ones, solve for the value of m, you will get it. Okay, this is a hint. Next. If the sum of the perpendicular distances from the variable point x comma y from the lines x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0 is always 10, show that P must always move on a line. So solution. So P x comma y, this line is x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. There is some other line 3x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0, this distance. So if this is d1, d2, what are they saying? d1 plus d2 is always 10. Show that P must move on a straight line. Means the final expression in terms of x and y should be a linear equation in two variables. So what is d1? Mod of x plus y minus 5 divided by root 2. What is d2? 3x minus 2y plus 7 divided by root of 9 plus 4. Okay. d1 plus d2 equated to 10 and solve it, you will get the answer. Okay, this is the hint. Next. Find the equation of the line which is equidistant from the parallel lines. Find the equation of the line which is equidistant from the parallel lines. 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. You need to find this line. So let any point on that line be x comma y, or I will take any point on that line to be x1 comma y1. Okay. If this distance is d, then the downward distance is also d. Right?
Yes.
So if you take this as P, this as L1, this as L2, the solution is 9x1 plus 6y1 minus 7 divided by root of 9 square plus
6.
6 square is equal to 3x1 plus 2y plus 6 divided by root of 3 square plus 2 square. Put this within a modulus. This is also within a modulus. When you remove the modulus, one side you will write it as plus or minus and then solve for it. You will get the answer. That is 9x1 plus 6y1 minus 7 divided by root of 9 square plus 6 square is how much, guys? It is 9 into root of
120.
81 plus 36.
100.
See, what I did is root of 9 square plus 6 square. Now I took out 3 square. I have 3 square plus 2 square. 3 square plus 2 square is 14. Root of 3 square is 3. Did you understand what I did? Is equal to plus or minus 3x1 plus 2y1 plus 6 the whole divided by root 14. This and this will get cancelled. So 9x1 plus 6y1 minus 7 is equal to plus or minus 9x1 plus 6y1 plus 18. So I cannot take plus, I will take minus. 9x1 plus 6y1 minus 7 is equal to minus 9x1 Why didn't I take plus? Tell me.
That means x and y will get cancelled.
Yes, 9x1 will get cancelled, 6y1 will get cancelled. So all these things will come to the left hand side. Then 18x1 plus 12y1 plus 11 is equal to 0. This is a required equation. If you observe, this line is also parallel to both the lines. Can you check the answer, Rohan?
Yes, sir, this is the answer.
Yeah. Next. Second is a ray of light passing through the point 1, 2 reflects on the x-axis at point A and its reflected ray passes through 5, 3. Find the coordinates of point A. So this is your physics-based question. See. It's not a mirror actually. So there is a ray which is passing through which point? 1, 2. Takes a point on x-axis, let the point be alpha, 0. And the reflected ray passes through the point 5, 3. Find the coordinates of the point A. How to do this is, observe, if this is 5, 13 and this is x-axis, okay, where will the image of this point be? Answer.
5, minus 13.
Very good. It will be at 5, minus 13 because it's going to be symmetric. No? Now, when you extend this, okay, when you extend this point, that will come here. Are you able to understand? So this is 1 comma 2. So what I'm trying to say is, if this is P, this is A, this is Q, P, A, Q, how are these 3 points? Are collinear. If they are collinear, what can you say about their slopes? Slope of PA is equal to slope of
Q.
P. So what is slope of PA? 2 divided by 1 minus alpha is equal to slope of PQ is minus 2 minus 13 divided by 1 minus 5. So 2 divided by 1 minus alpha is equal to minus 15 by minus 4. This and this will get cancelled. 8 is equal to 15 minus 15 alpha, which implies 15 alpha is equal to 7. Alpha is 7 by 15. So the point A will be 7 by 15 comma 0. Check the answer, please. Is it right?
Given 13 by 15.
13 by 15. Huh?
Sir.
So 1 comma, did I take all the points right? 1 comma 2, alpha comma 0. Oh, this point is
It's
5 comma 3.
13.
It is 5 comma 3. I took it. I saw that comma is 13 and I took it. It is 5 comma 3. Then what will be this point?
5 comma minus.
Yeah. 5 comma minus 3 means. Now tell me. 2 plus 3 divided by 1 minus 5. Now no mistake, no? 2 plus 3 divided by 1 minus 5. So minus 8 is equal to 5 divided by minus 4. So minus 8 is equal to, I'm still getting it wrong. 5 minus 5 alpha, which implies 5 alpha is equal to 13. Now is it fine? So, sorry, I took the point wrong. It is 5 comma 3. Two more problems. I'll give you the hint. You can try it out. 23rd. Prove that the product of the length of the perpendiculars drawn from this point and this point to the line x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1 is b square. So this is x1, this will be y1. You know what is the distance, right? x1 by a cos theta plus y1 by b sin theta minus 1 divided by root of cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. So what did I write here? Can you tell me? The place of x1 I should write root of a square minus b square. The place of y1 I should write 0. So this is the perpendicular from root of a square minus b square to this line. Similarly, if I want the distance from minus of root of a square minus b square to this line, what should we do? So let this be x2 comma y2. So x2 by a cos theta plus y2 by b sin theta minus 1 divided by root of cos square theta by a square in plus sine square theta by b square. Okay. So this value, what we are supposed to prove is, this should come out as b square. You people try and let me know. Okay, this is the hint. And the last problem is, a person standing at a junction crossing of two straight paths represented by the equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 wants to reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 in the least time. What do you mean by least time? When can you reach that particular place in the least time? So try to understand, there is a junction. Where is the junction? Junction is the meeting point of 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. If this point is P, there is a line 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. This person at point P has to reach this line in the least time. When is it possible?
Perpendicular.
When he goes exactly perpendicular. So what they're asking is, find the equation of this path. So L is equal to what? It's again simple. Okay, only the question is twisted so much. Actually, it is nothing. Can you tell me what are the steps to be followed? Find point P. How will you find point P? By solving these two equations. Okay. Slope of line through P is how much? Slope of line through P is minus 7 by 6. Think why it is so. Why is it minus 7 by 6? Because
M into M by equal to minus.
it is perpendicular to that line. It's minus 7 by 6. Use slope point form and write the equation. So you will get the point here. You know the slope. Use slope point form. You will get the answer. Is that clear? So that's all with this chapter. I've solved every problem. Okay? Literally every problem is solved in this chapter. I'm expecting a better performance in the test. If anybody needs, you're practicing and you have any doubts, you can approach me. Similarly, if anybody wants extra practice assignment for this chapter, you can ask. But I would suggest you to do the assignment only after you're thorough with NCERT. Okay. So when is the test? When did I say the test is?
25th October.
25th. What time?
Morning 10 to 11,
Morning.
11:30.
10 to 11:30 a.m. Right? I told 40 marks test.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yes. Prepare well and do well. Okay. Just wait for a minute. Don't leave.